Hi, my name is Jas. I'm an electronics engineer and I previously worked in the nuclear industry and as a scientist in Antarctica. One of my jobs was to track an iceberg twice the size of New York City, which was at risk of floating off into the sea. Climate is a big passion of mine, and I believe that we need to change the way that we build our houses and our infrastructure for the future. 80% of carbon emissions released in the home are from your boiler. This is where Bolt comes in, the first electric boiler with a battery integrated into it. Need to draw 2 simultaneous showers or want to run a hot steamy bath? Bolt's battery kicks in with the grid, harnessing electricity to match gas-like energy densities without stressing your home's power. And for lighter use, 1 shower or less, enjoy uninterrupted hot water drawn directly from the grid without the battery. Bolt will save you money and will help electrify our grid, making space for more renewables, moving us away from gas, and ensuring a greener future. Bolt is powered using an innovative, stackable battery that is used with the grid to provide heating to all your showers and taps. And the best part is, the battery only kicks in when you need it. Bolt can be scheduled to be charged whatever time you want, whether it's during the day to make use of the solar panels on your roof, or at night to make use of cheaper Economy 7 tariffs. The battery can charge in as little as an hour, and Bolt itself acts as your PV controller, which means you need no extra equipment in your home to make use of the solar panels on your roof. Bolt heats the water quicker than any other electric boiler on the market, meaning there's no need for a tank or any storage whatsoever. Bolt can be set up in any home, from off-grid, from caravans to the biggest houses. All you've got to do is select how many batteries you want. Installation is a breeze. All the connections are exactly the same as any other boiler on the market, except there is no gas. Bolt is incredibly safe as well. Because Bolt is fully electric, Bolt can be installed on any wall in your home. Bolt also has none of the carbon monoxide risks, or the gas risks, or the fire risks that come with gas boilers. Bolt can be remotely monitored and controlled through our smart app. On this app, you can control the temperatures, you can monitor each room in your house using our external sensors, and it will remind you when Bolt needs to be serviced. And Bolt doesn't sacrifice your style. We have a range of colors to suit every single person from every generation and every walk of life.